Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTP English version. Yes, really amazing news. Yeah, with each new discovery in paleontology, we are gradually moving away from the Hollywood-inspired image of dinosaurs popularized by the Jurassic Park series. One of the most striking shifts has been in how we envision their appearance rather than the tough skinned reptilian giants depicted on screen. Many dinosaurs are now believed to have been covered in feather like structures similar to modern birds. Scientists are now saying that a group of herbivorous non-avian dinosaurs tweeted like birds instead of the expected roaring and growing. A suggestion based on the discovery of new fossilized dinosaur bones, which included parts of the voice box. Researchers from China discovered and identified fossils of a 2 foot long new dinosaur species, Pulaosaurus kinglong, named after Pulao, a mythological Chinese dragon known for its loud sound. The species belongs to Neronithschia, a subgroup of Ornithischia, which includes herbivorous dinosaurs with bird-like pelvic structure. The fossils marked a significant point as they became the first ever Neo Renthischian dinosaurs specimen discovered in the Yanliao biota, a world-renowned dinosaur fossil hotspot in northeastern China. Dating to the middle to late Jurassic period, approximately 165 to 150 million years ago, the research finds are published in PR. Behind this exclusive report, FTV English, Delhi, Bharat.